Removing all non-numeric characters from string in Python. How do we remove all non-numeric characters from a string in Python?
Not sure if this is the most efficient way, but the dot join part means to combine all the resulting characters together without any characters in between. Then the rest of it is a generator expression, where, as you can probably guess, we only take the parts of the string that match the conditionist digit.
This should work for both strings and Unicode objects in Python 2, and both strings and bytes in Python 3.
At NetBatchelder and at Newict provided the right answer, but just in case if you have comma, decimal, in your string,